Arito ngiri emwe na bana ba skuru ya MERU University of Science and Technology nibekiri Nthûmbî na arua ndene ya skuru bubo kwitite ntuko yinka inyuma ya nkuchanyo kuoneka skuru na kinya gutigira aritwa bakithithia maandamano. Minista wa KITHOMO EZEKIEL MACHOGU no kari mugeni wa giteo onde atongeria kathumba kinyabo baikinyite mamburene jaja ni mambura jakagita kai 10 ndene ya skuru MACHOGU kirirwaria rwawe na gwete ugeni KANJU INJERU iria ATARIITE kurungamira skuru wakiwa thirikari na ande yatagaira bwega uria gutara gutonya kiri KANJU ya urungamiri wa maskuru kenda kwebukana na thina ta iria irarumirite skuru iji. Mutugikare na ripoti ja
Muthenya Jonarwa University ya MERU nithirite gikira aritwa ngiri imwe na bana Nthûmbî kiri kunguro kiao gia 10 aria mugeni wa gitio kari waziri wa kithomo kiri mongoji wa Kenya EZEKIEL MACHOGU bali watongeria baskuru iji.
I also want to believe this 10th anniversary is a great opportunity for us to reset from the turbulence. And so, to the graduating class, I do not think there's a more emotional moment than the day you graduate.
I expect that the skills and experience that you have gained here will add the fame and success stories on you as you leave. The gate of this university is how well you put the skills you have, the skills you have to use for the benefit of society and for your own self-development.
Kingi kiri visi Romanos Odhiambo rungurwa MACHOGU nethirite akiamukira na kuona ni atongeria baberu barabara thurirwe igoro ni MACHOGU na akiaria mubunge wa itura ri John Mutunga oria atongeria bakugwatanira kenda skuru iji kagita thiri buru na Odhiambo akiuga nande ni kagitaga oka skuru iji kairi.
And as neighbors, we are getting a little bit worried that the university things are getting out of hand. Through your effort, CS MACHOGU, this occasion has taken place. Through your effort, everybody will be happy today. I want to call upon every stakeholder in this university to consider peace as the epitome of development at this point in time.
But the strength of this university is that we are able to come back together and stand and continue the pursuit of the excellence, the dreams that our great fathers had for this university. Of importance to our neighboring community. We value you. You create an environment. Our Chancellor and our Minister, we honor you. But it's important that these 11,000 students we celebrate, it's important to note that we only accommodate 950 students. The rest, the community takes care of them.
Muthiaburu kiri waziri MACHOGU na ugite thirikari gatigira ndiro tongerio baskuru bukuthithwa ni bukuthithwa na njira iria agirite iretereta nkuchanyo kana ndu agatigati kao.
Going forward, we are going to have a very qualitative process. Very qualitative, such that when you get men and women in such positions, they are men and women who exactly know what it entails and how to serve, particularly in our universities. And we also have to be fair to each other. If one has served the way the Vice Chancellor has served over the period that he has served, his first term comes to an end in August. What was the urgency, what was the hurry, and knowing that we had this particular graduation today of sending him home, having served so well for the 3, 4, 5 years that he has been able to serve this university. It will be upon the Chancellor and the new Council to advise the Ministry and to advise me when the time comes, and the third time is not now. That time will be August.
Kiripotera ndeto cia weru wikendi ria kwarietwa ni Mutugi Kare.